How is it going, everybody? You're watching the Nabal Tech, and today I'm going to show you one of my favorite iPhone tricks, because today I'm going to show you how to improve your carrier reception right here on your iPhone. So how to actually boost your signal, how to get more bars right here on your iPhone. And the coolest thing about this process is that it's updated to 2023 in iOS 16. And also, as you can see, I'm using two SIMs here on my iPhone. I'm using two carriers, so if you're using two at the same time as well, I got you covered in this video. So as you can see, my signal here is pretty bad, it's pretty low. I've got 2 bars here on both my carriers, and as you can see, it's going to be a constant in this video before, of course, I show you the trick. Meaning that sometimes I have a hard time receiving calls, making calls, and my actual 4G and 5G are pretty bad. As you can see, it's going down to 1 bar and 2, so pretty bad at the moment. Now, let me show you how to actually fix this and boost my reception. All you have to do is actually go to your settings, and then you're gonna scroll down and tap on cellular. And of course, if you have, like my case, 2 SIMs, a dual SIM, you're gonna see both, and we're gonna do the process for both. So tap on the first one, and then go ahead here and go to network selection. And then, as you can see, you're gonna actually disable automatic, because we're actually gonna use the manual selection. So wait a few seconds. As you can see, it's gonna lose the 4G or 5G for a second. No problem, because we're gonna get it back. Okay, now as you can see, we have found, in my case, this is my carrier Vivo here in Brazil. So then choose Vivo, as you can see. So choose the correct one, and then come back, and then come back once again and do the exact same process for your other carrier, in my case right here, and the network selection, and then the same thing. So disable, right, automatic, let's disable that. Wait a few seconds. As you can see, it's gonna lose the 4 or 5G. That's normal, no problem at all. And wait for your iPhone to manually find your carrier. Okay, now it found, so in my case, Claro is the second one. So then tap here, and then it's gonna find it, no problem, it's working perfectly. And then you may be thinking, okay, Daniel, but nothing has changed. So I've got here 2 bars again, so the same as it was before. But then let's complete the trick, because actually you're gonna have to go ahead and enable airplane mode, because with airplane mode, you're gonna actually kind of reset and find once again all your carriers and everything like that. So then let's re-enable airplane mode. So just disable and re-enable for like a few seconds. In my case, I'm gonna actually go ahead and disable Wi-Fi. And as you can see right here, I've got full signal on my Claro and 3 bars on my Vivo. Of course, this will probably go down and stabilize on 3 for both, because right in the first few seconds is gonna be full maximum reception, and then maybe it'll go down. But as you can see, it was 2 before. Now, as I said, it stabilized on 3, and Vivo as well stabilized on 3 as well. And as you can see, it's gonna stay like that. It's gonna be 3 and 3 for this video. So I have got 1 extra bar for both, and as you saw, it was like 1 and 2, and now it's 3 and 3. Great. And my region here is pretty bad for reception, so this is exceptional. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you boost, how you improve your reception on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button down below, subscribe. I do appreciate a lot. And as you can see, it's 3. It's stabilized on 3, and it's not gonna go down. As I said, this is a great trick. All right, so see you later, guys. See you on my next video of Then About Tech.